Welcome to the Nyanzaga Gold Project update. From the front gate, you can see the camp to the left, the process plant to the right, and the Nyanzaga deposit ahead as construction gathers momentum. At the 220 kV high voltage switchyard, earthworks are nearing completion. Moving to the process plant, activity is ramping up. The process water ponds are ready for lining, and all 7 CIL ring beams are poured, with foundations for the SAG and ball mills now complete, and crews are preparing for the suspended slabs. The coarse ore stockpile reclaimed tunnel blinding concrete is finished, and the primary gyratory crusher foundation and wing walls are advancing well. Our camp, with over 400 rooms, is progressing strongly, and the first senior rooms are already completed and occupied. The Perseus team is self-performing much of this work, developing skills and opportunities for artisans from our local communities. At the main entrance, work has commenced on the new police station, supporting security and services for both operations and our neighbours. Our resettlement housing program is also nearing completion. Families are settled into new homes, water bores and community spaces are in use, and you can see the children playing and households tending to gardens and crops as life in the new villages takes root. Nyanzaga is moving forward with purpose, safe delivery, strong progress, and real benefits for Tanzania and our stakeholders.